wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again! Yay!
Oh, you know what's going to happen next? It's my favorite holiday.
Yeah.
Do you remember what my favorite holiday is?
Yeah, it's Thanksgiving.
Yay!
Yay! Thanksgiving! Because you must be thankful for a lot of things.
Yeah. I love Thanksgiving.
Mm-hmm.
You know why I love Thanksgiving? I have to tell you.
Oh, tell me.
So, I love Thanksgiving.
Mm-hmm.
Well, one, because of all the yummy food, right?
Nom.
Yeah.
It's definitely the tastiest.
Yeah. The turkey and the stuffing and the sweet potatoes and the mashed potatoes and all of the pies, and there's just so much yummy stuff. But you know what I like too?
What?
About Thanksgiving?
What's that?
It's friends and family coming together and being thankful and grateful. And, you know, it's not about presents, even though I really like presents.
Yeah, presents are really
but
fun.
it just, you know, it's a fun day to hang out and just be really happy for having good food and having good people around you who care a lot about you. And that's why I really like Thanksgiving.
Aww.
But yeah, I probably mostly like it because of apple pie.
Apple pie is delicious.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I like the stuffing better.
Oh,
Or maybe I like the turkey better. I don't know. I can't.
I
all good.
like the stuffing better, and I actually like the pumpkin pie better. Yeah, I love pumpkin pie. And I like pecan pie. That's delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, and I like turkey.
Yeah.
I like the dark meat. Do you like
dark meat.
The light meat? Dark meat?
No, dark meat.
Yeah. Dark meat.
Definitely dark meat. I actually like the big bone. The
wishbone.
Well, we always break the wishbone.
I know. I'm sorry. The drumstick?
The drumstick.
Or the turkey leg?
The drumstick. Because that's so big and...
Yeah. Yeah, it's like, whoa, it's like bigger than your whole head.
Yeah, I just eat the whole drumstick.
Wow, that's so much.
Yep.
Yeah.
But I
can't eat all that.
It.
Yeah, it's delicious. I put like a whole giant pile of stuffing on my plate because stuffing's my favorite.
Yeah, I love stuffing too. Oh, wait, but I thought you liked other things. You're not going to take my stuffing, are you?
You mean all of your stuffing or any stuffing?
You're not going to take all of the stuffing.
No, I won't take all of the stuffing.
Okay.
But I'm definitely going to take...
share, right?
Well, yeah, of course. But I am going to take like a big bunch.
Sure.
Yeah, but don't worry. I will tell Mom and she'll make a lot of stuffing.
Yeah, actually, I promised Mom that I was going to help her.
Okay, so I will tell you right now. I would like a lot of stuffing, please.
Okay, I promised her that I was going to help because I really love stuffing the stuffing into the turkey. It's just so much fun.
That's funny.
Yeah.
I told Dad I'm going to help make the pumpkin pies. So, do you like pumpkin pie? Do you need a lot of pumpkin pie?
Well, no, I actually prefer apple and pecan pie.
And pecan. Okay, so I'll tell Dad we have to also make apple and pecan.
Yeah.
Okay, 3 pies.
Yep. And can we make sure that we have
cherry?
vanilla ice cream?
Oh, yeah. So, apple, pecan, pumpkin, maybe cherry.
Actually, can I have a crumble? Apple crumble?
Apple crumble, pecan, pumpkin.
Apple pie?
You want apple crumble and apple pie?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So, apple pie, pecan pie, pumpkin pie, cherry pie.
No, I don't want cherry.
I want cherry pie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, wait, no, I think I want boysenberry instead. Okay, so.
No, why don't we get a strawberry rhubarb pie?
Ooh, strawberry rhubarb pie is delicious.
Okay.
But I want boysenberry and strawberry rhubarb. Okay, so.
Okay.
Apple pie.
Yep.
Pumpkin pie.
Yep.
Pecan pie.
Yep.
Boysenberry pie.
Yep.
Strawberry rhubarb pie.
Yep.
Apple crumble.
Yep.
Vanilla ice cream.
Yeah, and maybe
got
even some whipped cream.
Oh, yeah, and whipped cream. Oh, and the homemade kind. That's really good. I mean, the canned kind's fun, too, because you can go... And you eat it like that. That's fun.
Yeah.
And it gets everywhere, but
Okay.
it's delicious. Mm-hmm.
And I'll help Mom make the stuffing. And wait, hold on. And I'll make the sweet potato casserole, like the candy jam, yam.
Yeah. And with the candied yam, and then can you please also make the green bean casserole?
Yeah, I'll make the green bean casserole, and then I'll make carrots and peas, and then maybe a salad. A salad would be good.
Yeah.
And then mashed potatoes too?
Yeah, mashed potatoes and some corn.
Oh, yeah, no problem. Corn on the cob.
Yeah, corn on the cob.
Yep.
Do you want macaroni and cheese?
Macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese
Yeah,
sounds kinda
definitely
good.
macaroni and cheese. Yep.
I would like some dinner rolls.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, dinner rolls. Bread
Yeah.
with the dinner rolls.
No problem.
Ooh. And some butter for the dinner rolls.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have nice gravy sauce from the turkey
Oh,
too.
and yeah, great. I want light gravy and dark gravy.
Don't you think that's asking a little bit for too much?
I mean, I think we're making like 6 pies, so
Who's all coming besides Mom and Dad for this turkey dinner?
ooh.
Is
I
it
hope
just
a lot of
4
people
us?
are else. I don't know how we're gonna eat 6 pies with 4 people.
Yeah, I know that might be too much. But maybe we can share it with the kids.
Oh, yeah. If the kids come, we could make everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, we actually would have to. We should also then we would have to throw on like 3 turkeys.
Yeah.
And
No,
maybe
like 30 turkeys.
like 300 turkeys.
Oh yeah, 300.
300 turkeys. Oh,
Yeah.
and like instead of like a bowl of mashed potatoes, we need like a room of mashed potatoes. Yeah, and and I'll make like 20 pies. No, 30 pies.
Yeah, are you sure that'll be enough? Don't
No.
you think you'll need to make 50 pies?
Yeah, 50 pies. 50 pies and 50 pounds of whipped cream.
Wait, I think maybe we should stick to our original plan. Maybe that's going to be too much.
Yeah, that's a lot of cooking.
You know what we'll
We
just
need-
do?
we
We'll
need-
just invite some friends and family to come over. And maybe
yeah.
we'll ask Mom and Dad if they can do that for us, you know?
Yeah, that'd
maybe
be
your
very,
new
very fun.
friend from
Oh,
school.
Desiree!
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be
Right?
fun. Yeah. It'd be fun if she could come.
Yeah.
Oh, and then probably her parents too, because she probably wouldn't want to do
course.
Thanksgiving without her parents.
Of course.
Yeah.
And then maybe
Oh, and your friend, Benjamin.
Yeah. And then maybe Dad's parents, like Grandma and Grandpa can come.
Yeah, of course. Oh, and
Right.
Fluffy.
Oh, of course, Fluffy.
Yeah.
Can't forget Fluffy.
Yeah.
I'm sure Fluffy will share a drumstick with me.
Oh yeah. Oh, for sure. And he'll also want in his dog bowl. He'll want like some carrots
Yeah.
and
Peas,
peas. Yeah.
potato.
Potato. Oh, for sure, potato.
Yeah.
Oh, and he'll want gravy.
Yeah. Well, I guess maybe
This
we should
is a
start
lot.
working.
Yeah, I say we have to cut the apples and wash the cherries. I have to
Yeah.
find a pumpkin.
Yeah.
I have a lot of stuff to do.
Well,
Whew.
okay, I guess we should start helping Mom and Dad with the turkey dinner, right?
Yeah, I think so for sure. Otherwise, we are not going to get nearly 6 pies, I don't
Yeah.
think.
Kids,
Yeah.
are you going to help your parents too?
Yeah, you should. You can also help set the table.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's
all
really
sorts of
fun
stuff.
because Thanksgiving is a great day, and
Yeah.
the more you can help, the better the food will taste.
Yeah, for sure. Especially because Thanksgiving is a lot of work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure.
But it's very, very fun.
Yep.
It's a lot of work, and then all play.
I'll play.
Yeah, work, play. Work,
Yeah, exactly.
play. Work, play.
And the
Work,
thing
play.
is, if you cook yourself, like if you help cooking,
Yeah.
don't you also agree that it just tastes a little bit smaller because you helped out?
Yeah, it's like more delicious
Yep.
and tasty,
Yep.
and also you just feel happy that you helped.
Yep.
Yeah.
But you know what? I have to say, all of this food talk has made me hungry.
Yeah, I think my tummy's growling.
Yeah, maybe.
Wow.
What should
What's
we
that?
make to eat now? Maybe some macaroni and cheese.
Oh yeah, macaroni and cheese. And then if we
Yeah.
have macaroni and cheese now, maybe we don't need it tomorrow.
Exactly.
Yeah, that'll be
Okay.
better.
Yep.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Sounds
Okay.
good.
Well, kids,
Yeah.
I hope that you will have a happy Turkey Day.
Yay, happy turkey, yay! Let us know what you guys end up making too, because maybe you'll make different stuff than us.
Yeah.
I'd be very curious.
And maybe next year we should make new things.
Ooh, that'd be really, really fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I would like some curry.
Oh, that would be very, very different.
Yeah, I don't know,
Yep.
it just sounds good. Oh, or Jello.
Oh, Jello would be funny.
Yeah, Jello would be fun.
Yep. Well, kids, we wish you a happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Take
Thank you guys
care.
for coming. Take
yeah,
care.
thanks for watching Dream Again.
I hope you guys get to have a lot of pie.
Yep. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Don't eat too much.
Oh, yeah, that's hard.
Yeah.
That's real hard.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll see you later.
See you next time.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!